Hello and welcome to this brief introduction to the WHS Management System. In this overview, we're looking at the system as it displays on mobile devices. Please also refer to the desktop system overview tutorials. To log in, select the menu icon at top left, then pop open the My Account function. After logging in, the My Account function displays links to view the workplaces you have access to and to update your profile or log out of the system. Members with access to multiple workplaces select the workplace they want to view via the My Workplaces list. In this example, the member has access to 3 workplaces. Selecting the system help icons, which display throughout the system, opens on-screen help information, and the modules that have dashboards appear here. In this example, there's a Tasks dashboard and an Incident dashboard, which display date-based combined system activity information across all workplaces the member has access to. The My Workplaces area, like all system modules, has search and filtering tools that are accessible via the icon to the right of the search area. And most modules also have sorting options and a summary and full list view toggle that opens and contracts the view of the records in the list. To access a workplace, select the workplace name in the list, which links to the workplace homepage. The workplace being viewed then displays in the Greetings tab here at the top of the workplace. To return to the My Workplaces list, select the Your Workplaces link at the top of the screen or via the link in the My Account area in the main menu. Members with access to a single workplace bypass the My Workplaces list, and in that case all workplace links return to the workplace homepage. The workplace homepage has expandable functions that display tasks, a calendar-based view of events and reminders, and other workplace resources. For more information, please refer to the desktop system overview. To view and navigate between modules in the workplace, select the Module menu at the top right of the screen. The modules visible vary from system to system and are based on workplace subscription settings and individual user access settings. In addition to the workplace homepage, there are typically around 20 additional system modules, including 4 that relate to contractor management. Navigating to a system module is as simple as selecting the relevant icon in the module menu. Different modules have different purposes, which are explained in the on-screen help area and module-specific video tutorials. While different systems contain different modules and modules perform different functions, the user controls are consistent across all modules. To add a new record, select the plus icon that appears above the record list within the relevant icon. Note that this only appears to users with access to add records to the module. Search, filter, sort and summary or expanded view tools are also available for all modules, and any module-specific functions are clearly explained in the module help notes, such as the creator-related task function in this example. For more information, please refer to the module and function-specific tutorials. And that concludes this brief introduction to the mobile device version of the WHS Management System. Thanks for watching.